Ek weet ek is underrated. Announce my name at shows, see the look on their faces. They cheer, they scream my name, but they forget me. The second they leave, I must be someone's favorite. Dope MC, I don't see other rappers approaching me. For wat lyk hulle so naar, pretending not to notice me. Oh I see, hulle is geïntimideer, geen tyd om te speel, cause real recognize real. Underrated, underrated, underrated and overlooked, 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 overlooked. I'm so underrated, underrated, underrated and overlooked, 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 overlooked. Yeah, I don't hate, I don't relate to those who are fake. Watch out for these snakes, they strike from a few feet away. I can think of a handful of people who supported me, but a bigger list of people ignoring me. Trying to stand up to these demons like a joke, make fun of me for working hard until I blow just to be called a wannabe. I'm trying to be different and stand out. I'm a man now who got hand-me-downs but refused to accept the handout. I'm trying to work hard towards my goals and achieve it with no shortcuts. Strictly effort so I can say I did it. I'm overlooked by people that should be guiding me. Admit it, I don't wanna be the illest, I wanna be known as one of the realest. Underrated, underrated, underrated.